Good morning, YouTube people. It is Wednesday and it is gonna rain today. Pretty sure it's gonna rain. I did all this hard work last week getting the weeds up out of the yard. Look at this. Look. But some of those, some of the things that are popping up, well, not here, further into the yard are actually like, I think, poppies that will be poppies. Anyway, I don't see any yet, just a lot of weeds. Lots of weeds. See all those weeds? You know, I put that fabric down. The fabric was put down to like weed block. It doesn't, you know, it doesn't last. The weeds grow on top. So anyway, here's the sky. See the sky? See those clouds? It's probably going to rain. Like way over there, it's real dark. Way over there. But today is take out the garbage cans day, but I do that later. Anyway, so yeah, so the, look at this crazy sign. Let me show you this. It's like, we are a neighborhood watch community. We immediately report all suspicious activity to our police department. And then you know what they tell you to do? They don't even answer their phone half the time. Okay. Anyway, so yeah, so I said, did I just do that again? I gotta rewatch my videos to make sure I'm not giving away my location. If I give away my location, will you just come and tell me? Will you knock on the door and say, Laura, you're showing too much in the background? I probably am. If I put the phone way up here, look. I'll flip my hair. Look sideways. Oh, oh. Oh my God. Or go like this. Anyway. Camera angles. Camera angles, darling. Camera angles. It's all in camera angles. Anyway. Let me show you something. I want you to see my people. These are my people. You ready? My paintbrush people. Now, that's Mark, Melinda, Carrie, Cindy, Roger, April, Marty, and Bill. Now, if you asked me to say those names again, I would have to look at this video. I just made that up. Anyway, yeah, so there are classes. So this is an answer to a question this morning that I caught on a live of Bob asked, how is the weather? And I said, there is clouds up there. And a storm is a-coming. And the sun is still a-shining. Because you know what? The sun shines even when we don't see it.